How does the cost of vinyl fencing compare to other types of fencing materials?
When it comes to choosing the right fencing material for your property, there are various options available. One popular choice is vinyl fencing, but how does it compare in terms of cost to other fencing materials? In this video, we'll explore the cost comparison between vinyl and other popular fencing options, such as wood, aluminum, and chain link.
What is the cost of vinyl fencing?
Vinyl fencing is known for its low maintenance and durability. The cost of installing a vinyl fence depends on factors such as height, style, and labor costs. On average, you can expect to spend $20 to $40 per linear foot for materials and installation. This price range is for basic, non-decorative styles. More elaborate designs can cost significantly more.
How does the cost of vinyl fencing compare to wood fencing?
Wood fencing is a popular choice for its natural beauty and versatility in design. However, it requires more maintenance than vinyl. The cost of wood fencing varies depending on the type of wood used. On average, a wood fence costs around $12 to $30 per linear foot for materials and installation. While wood fencing may be cheaper up front, it's important to factor in the cost of maintenance and potential repairs over time.
How does the cost of vinyl fencing compare to aluminum fencing?
Aluminum fencing is an attractive, low-maintenance option that provides a modern look. The cost of aluminum fencing ranges from $22 to $32 per linear foot for materials and installation. This puts it in a similar price range to vinyl fencing. Although aluminum fencing is slightly more expensive than wood, it requires less maintenance and is more durable.
How does the cost of vinyl fencing compare to chain link fencing?
Chain link fencing is an affordable and durable option, primarily used for security purposes. The cost of chain link fencing is typically around $10 to $20 per linear foot for materials and installation. Chain link fencing is the most budget-friendly option among the materials discussed. However, it doesn't offer the same aesthetic appeal and privacy as other types of fencing. In summary, vinyl fencing is a mid-range option in terms of cost, falling between wood and aluminum fencing. While it may be more expensive upfront compared to wood, its low maintenance and durability make it a cost-effective choice in the long run. If budget is a primary concern, chain link fencing is the most affordable option, but it lacks the aesthetic appeal and privacy provided by other materials. Ultimately, the right choice will depend on your priorities, budget, and design preferences.